feeling, but you really wanna turn me on. Tell me why I get this feeling, that you really wanna make me yours. Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gonna be the one to say you're wrong. I admit it's exciting, parts of me gonna like it, but before I lead you on, baby, tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? What's your motive? So tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? What's your motive? Like a couple shit out from a mile away. So sad, you want me if you can't keep me. That for me, might have to curb you if you just can't talk straight. Just